Hey, it's Andy from RightBlogger, and today I thought I'd show you our regular expression generator. Now, if you're not familiar with what a regular expression is, it's basically a set of code that lets computers validate text. So, for example, it's good for URLs, phone numbers, emails, things like that, but you can also get super advanced with regular expressions, and they are kind of hard to read and make. So that's actually why I made this tool. You can just describe the regular expression that you want, and it'll generate it for you using AI. So let me show you how it works. Now, the most basic example is probably an email address. So let me type that in and hit generate. And you can see here, we instantly have our regular expression for email addresses. It'll match text, and then it has the @ symbol in there, and then of course a domain name. Now we can get more advanced with this. I can hit edit and run again, and I'm gonna say email addresses that end in yahoo.com and start with the letter Z. And let me hit generate, and you can see here we have a regular expression that'll match starting with Z, the normal email address area here, and then yahoo.com. So if you're using a WordPress plugin that needs a regular expression, or you're a developer, this is a really powerful tool to come up with regular expressions super quickly.